Hello, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we will be doing this beautiful arrangement. I will show it to you step by step and what things we need to do. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing, as you seen here, I'm using 12-inch rose gold balloons. They are chrome. I made this sand weight. If you want to know how to do it, just let me know in the comment below and I can create a video for that. So now we'll attach those balloons together. We create the cluster. So you just cross them and you just roll them back again. And so as you see, I'm doing this with the rose gold. I will be doing the same thing with the gold and the purple. On the other side, you will see I made different setup for 3 gold and 2 gold, and then I attached them with the 260Q balloon, and you will see later on when I use them. So this is the first thing we will be doing, and I will be using one 260Q. You could use fishing line to attach them. Okay, here I am. Okay, so here's the sandwich. Of course you could use water, but I don't know. Not comfy with the water. And here I'm trying to set them up to see how they gonna look first before I attach them. Now I got the 260, and so I will wanna be sure first to stretch it, and then you tie it to the bottom. Because all the balloons, the one we will put on the top of it, this is what we're gonna be using to hold them all together. And you just start crossing it, and be sure that you press the gold down because you don't want any gaps in between. No, when I create those videos, sometimes I get so confused if I need to talk or people they just like to watch. Sometimes it could be boring. Sometimes some people they want it to be silenced. Let me know if you in future videos if you like to see things just how to without me talking, or if you want explanation. Now this foil balloon, I already attached a small piece of 260, and now I will tie it to the other 260, the one I used in the beginning with the rose gold. Now in here, you need to be sure that the phone is secure. It's not secure yet till I feel how is everything look, then I redo everything again to so it won't be moving around. Now here is the other set with the 260, so this way you just make it much easier to fill the gaps and make it like looks bigger. I like to use the 260 more than fishing line. First, it's easy to see and I don't feel them that sharp. But sure, you can use 260 if that's what you prefer, or if it's cheaper too. Okay. Okay, so here, if you want to know how I'm making those, just let me know. I might do a video for those. because each person, different people, they use different tools. You create your own. Now I did not attach them, I did not tie them yet. As I said, I like to leave everything to the end to be sure that it's the way I want it to be. Now in here, you can use in here just 4 5 inches rose gold balloons, or you could do 2 12 inches and you just make them each one like divide it in 2 pieces to make it 4. Then in the middle you just add the gold. For me, I have this one from different boutiques, so I used it. I know it does not look the best. And it's giving me hard time to stay still. Okay, so here it is. Of course, you could add more to it, or if you feel it's good. Now, as long as it looks good, now tighten it more, so this way the foil balloon does not keep bouncing back and forth or to the sides. And I do this the same thing with those straws. Yeah, if you look at the background, I made that arrangement. Let me know if you want to see too that how I set them up. Okay, so here it is. Let me know in the comment below what do you think. Thank you and have a good day.